User input should always be validated by code that validates it. You shouldn't have user input be passed unvalidated into the bowels of your program and then just say, oh, well, if an exception happens, that means my user input's invalid. That's not what you should want to do. Instead, you should proactively validate your user input as close to the code that asks the user for the input as possible. So again, this code prevents input from ever being 0, and it also prevents my format exception from being thrown if the user types in garbage. So I can go ahead and, oh wow. Yeah. I'm a terrible person, aren't I? Sorry, there's been so many windows flying around here. There we go. Type in garbage all I want. I can type in 0 all I want. I can type in more garbage. I can type in a bunch of zeros plus a bunch of garbage. But until I type in something that isn't 0, the program doesn't stop. So this is how you should write that code. And you should write it good the first time as opposed to how I wrote it, because I wrote it horribly the first time, as in it didn't actually work the first time.